Hello and welcome guys to your own YouTube channel CBSE Activity Hub. Today we will discuss about Activity 2.2 Chapter 2 Class 10 Science NCERT book. Okay, let's go to the Activity 2.2. Take some finely chopped onion in a plastic bag and along with some strips of clean cloths. Tie up the bag tightly and leave overnight in a fridge. The cloth strip now can be used to test for acid and bases. Okay, firstly take two clean strips of cloth and place some onion chopped onion and packed in a plastic bag tightly and freezing it overnight. Okay, take it into the fridge for overnight, and after taking out the bag from fridge and remove the chopped onion and put some dilute HCl on the first strip of cloth and put some dilute NaOH on the second strip of cloth and smell it. We will observe that the smell remains same in the first strip, means where we added dilute HCl. Okay, the smell remains same and the smell will vanish in the second strip where we added dilute NaOH. Okay, from this solution, from this reaction we will conclude that onion is a olfactory indicator. Okay, then what will we observe? We observe that in a acid solution the onion smell is remains same. The onion smell is remains same. On the second, the smell of onion become vanished or will vanished. Okay, this is the observation. Okay, this is the observation. Okay, then take two test tube and add vanilla essence on it and add vanilla essence both of the test tube and add some dilute HCl in the first test tube and add some dilute NaOH on the second test tube. Okay, what will we observe? In case of first test tube we will observe that the smell of vanilla essence is remaining same. Okay, and on the second test tube where we will add a dilute NaOH, the smell is disappeared. Okay, the smell is disappeared. So from this reaction we will also conclude that vanilla essence is also a olfactory indicator. Okay, then put some clove oil or take some clove oil, okay, in a test tube 1 and test tube 2. Okay, and add some HCl, dilute HCl, okay, on the first test tube and add some dilute NaOH on the second test tube. What will we observe? In case of first test tube we will observe that the smell become different, and the other hand when we observe the second test tube the smell is different than the first test tube. Okay, so we can also conclude that the clove oil is also reacted like vanilla essence. So from this activity we can conclude that clove oil, vanilla essence and onion strip are olfactory indicator. Okay, used as olfactory indicator. So is it clear guys? I think so it is clear. Activity 2.2 is clear. Okay, so share as you can guys Okay, because this is your channel. Okay, subscribe it. Bye bye guys, take care.